Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we want to simplify this beautiful math problem without using a calculator. 9 raised to power 50 minus 3 raised to power 98. Remember, calculators not allowed. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. We have the given equation 9 raised to power 50 minus 3 raised to power 98. Take note of this, that 9 is equal to 3 square, and if you have a raised to power m to the power of n, this is equal to a raised to power mn. Then this can be written as 3 square to the power of 50 minus 3 to the power of 98. Then we have 3 raised to power 2 multiplied by 50, that is 100 minus 3 raised to power 98. And of course, 100 is equal to 98 plus 2. Now we have 3 raised to power 98 plus 2 minus 3 raised to power 98. This is equal to 3 raised to power 98 multiplied by 3 square minus 3 raised to power 98. Then 3 raised to power 98 is common. Let's bring it out. We have 3 raised to power 98 bracket 3 square minus 1. This is equal to 3 raised to power 98 bracket 3 square. This is 9 minus 1. This is equal to 3 raised to power 98 multiplied by 8. And our final answer is 8 multiplied by 3 raised to power 98. This is the final answer. Therefore, 9 raised to power 50 minus 3 raised to power 98 is equal to 8 multiplied by 3 raised to power 98. Now let us solve another one. If you have, let's call this number 2, 2 raised to power 102 minus 2 raised to power 97. What is the answer? This is 2 raised to power 102 can be written as 2 raised to power 97 plus 5, then minus 2 raised to power 97. Here we have 2 raised to power 97 multiplied by 2 raised to power 5 minus 2 raised to power 97. This is 2 raised to power 97, which is common, bracket. If you divide the whole of this by 2 raised to power 97, we have 2 raised to power 5 minus, if you divide this 2 raised to power 97 by this 2 raised to power 97, we have 1. Then we have 2 raised to power 97 bracket 2 raised to power 5. This is 32 minus 1. This is equal to 2 raised to power 97 bracket 32 minus 1. This is 30. Then this is equal to 30 multiplied by 2 raised to power 97. This is the final answer. Then I want you to try this on your own. We have 2 raised to power 101 minus 2 raised to power 99. And give your answer in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.